Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. So I want to show you how to make something very simple. This is for the kids. Show them how to make this, and this is something that they can probably do without a lot of supervision. Of course, anytime they're using the stove, you should be close by, but it'll give them some self-confidence that they can make something. Okay, grilled cheese. Yes, grilled cheese. I remember eating grilled cheese as a little kid. Okay, I'm sure you did too. So that's what I'm going to show you how to make, and then at the completion of that, we're gonna have some grilled cheese and tomato soup. I made tomato soup in a previous video. You can check that out. And this is our old menu: grilled cheese and tomato soup. Okay. All right. So let's get started. Let me show you how to make the grilled cheese. All right. Okay, so I have my frying pan on the stove. It doesn't matter what size you use, okay? And the fire is on number 4 on a gas stove I have. It's just heating up, okay? So I have some sliced orange American cheese. Now you can use whatever kind of cheese you like. This is what I like, okay? So I'm going to use 2 slices, okay? So I put 1 slice down. You want to make sure all areas of the bread is covered if you can. Okay, so let me show you that. So I put 1 slice down, this first slice, and when I put that down, you can see this area didn't have any cheese, right? So you're going to put the next slice over the area that don't have cheese on the top and the side, as much as you can. Okay, so now you put your second piece right on the top like so. All right, now we're going to put butter or margarine on each side of the bread. So we're going to do one side first. I have some Smart margarine here. That's what I'm using, Smart margarine. And you don't put it on in lumps, you spread it. So you put it on, and don't push hard on the bread because you'll tear it. Okay, let me show you this. So that's how I did the first half, okay? So once we did the first half, I'm going to turn you to the frying pan now. We're going to put the side that we put the margarine on down to the bottom of the frying pan. This side is going to the bottom, so I'm flipping it over. See that? Okay, and we are cooking. Now I'm going to turn my fire down. I have it on 3 now. And the purpose of that is, when you first start, you want it low because and now I'm going to put margarine on the second side. I took it off. See, it was in the frying pan, right? I took it off so I can put the margarine on this side. And the reason why you want to start with your fire low is you want to give your cheese a chance to melt before the bread toasts over. Because once it toasts, you think it's done, and your cheese may not totally be melted. Okay, this is my second side, so I'm going to put it back on. Make sure your cheese is not hanging off or anything. Like mine, I had to straighten it back up. Okay, so now we're going to put the second half back on to the first part that's in the frying pan. Okay. And you're not going to leave it. You're going to be here and watch it because it's going to cook so fast. Okay. You're going to need a spatula to turn it over with, okay? So what I'm going to do is just peek under and see. Oh, see, it's brown already, and this is only on number 3 on the stove. I'm holding it and then I'm flipping it. You see that? I held it so it stay in position, and then I flipped it over. Now you may have to turn it over another time and another time, just to make sure that that cheese really melts in the middle, okay? Because the outside is going to melt pretty fast, but not necessarily the middle where the cheese is. Alright? Okay, and we're going to always keep an eye on it, peeking under. No, we're good. So while we're good, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, okay, so maybe you have some children and 1 or 2 of them may not always listen to your advice. And no matter what you say, they have their own mind and they're going to do things their way. Well, sometimes, even though you try and you tell them, you have to just let them go ahead and do things their way. And then when they come up short, you can point out where they went short and then say, what I was trying to tell you is this. So it gives you another opportunity to set the record straight and try to lead them in the right direction, okay? While I'm talking, I'm going to check on the grilled cheese. Okay, we're doing good. And at the end of the rainbow, all we can do is try, and all we can do is tell them. And hopefully they will hear us, even though they may not follow what we say. And maybe they'll get the message one day. Parents, all you can do is try. Okay, that's the word of the day. I'm going to turn you back to the grilled cheese now. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. I welcome you. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's looking good. I'm going to turn it over one more time, just to get that cheese up to a nice heated temperature. While watching it to make sure it's not burning. We're doing good. Okay, I think we're good. I'm going to cut the fire off. So see, there's something that you can show the kids that's pretty simple and easy, and I think that they would get a bit of self-satisfaction that they were able to cook something. Okay, start with something like a grilled cheese, and then you can work your way up on other harder menus. Okay, alright, stay tuned. I'm going to get the tomato soup and we're going to give it all a taste. Okay, alright, 1 second. Okay guys, here we have it. Grilled cheese and tomato soup. How about that, huh? Ah, you like that? Yeah? Okay. So, let's give it a taste, shall we? Here's the tomato soup that I made in the previous setting. You should really go check that out, guys. Let me adjust the camera. That's better. A little better. There we go. Oh, I can't get it right, guys. Here we go. Better? Okay. So here's the tomato soup. Better than Campbell's, let me tell you. Oh, so good. And the grilled cheese. I like it, guys. Give it a thumbs up. Bye-bye.